Hey there, car enthusiasts! It's hard to believe it's been 3 years since Toyota gave us the 5th gen Prius, a car that went from meh to wow practically overnight. Before we jump into today's topic, here's a quick favor to ask if you enjoy the content, smash that like button and subscribe. A ton of you are watching, but those likes, yeah, they could use a little love. Let's fix that today. Now, let's talk about the 2025 Toyota Prius. Remember when it was the ultimate hypermiler but looked, let's say, challenged? Well, those days are gone. The Prius is now a head-turner, and it's packing more punch too thanks to a 73 horsepower boost. Toyota just announced the 2025 Prius pricing, and here's the scoop. The base LE trim starts at $29,485, only $400 more than last year. The mid-level XLE with larger wheels and better tech begins at $32,930. And the range-topping limited trim kicks off at $36,500. Now, here's what's grabbing headlines for 2025, the Nightshade trim. Built off the XLE, it brings all the blacked-out goodies, black badging, black door handles, and black bumper trim. Plus, it introduces an exclusive color. Toyota calls Karashi. Bold, right? Under the hood, every Prius, except the plug-in hybrid version, comes with a 194 horsepower hybrid system. It's built around a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine borrowed from the Corolla Cross, paired with 2 electric motors and a CVT. Front-wheel drive is standard, but for an extra $1,400, you can opt for all-wheel drive, which adds a rear-axle electric motor for a total of 196 horsepower. So what do you think? Is the new Prius hitting the mark, or do you miss its quirky old-school vibe?
What do you think?
Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your opinions with the crew. Until next time, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.